Got a good turnout here at the vendor blender show. Got all these wonderful people here and got the pull tabs, and the lake is just freezing over. There's some trumpers swans out there earlier. I can't see them now. But we've got all these crafts going on and so on. And I love these kids here. They're making goat milk soap to put themselves through school. You gotta appreciate industrious kids. This is my only honey show, and actually sold quite a bit here. Not as many as Peter, the bee whisperer guy, had, but it's important. So, and we have toenails. I told her that I smashed my toenail, and that I think I'm probably gonna buy some. Don't tell anybody, but yeah, it's a great thing. And in case you missed the craft show up here on Coon Lake Beach, yeah, you got to come.